Hey, it's Jack here. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to be sharing our 14 flat development, this building here. And what we're going to be showing you is the before and after of flat number 2, which is one of the flats that we've refurbished. We added £120,000 worth of value just on this flat alone within 3 months of refurbishment. So please stay and watch the side-by-side video. All of the numbers of this flat and this development will be at the end of the video, so stick to that. And please make sure you like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks.
Particular development in Oxfordshire is 14 flats, and this we are working on an equity partner with. They've bought the asset with us. We've brought the time, expertise, deal and the delivery. They've brought the funds. We're sharing the upside, and we are realistically in this one for the long run. So it's the buy, refurbish, refinance model on the 14 flats, and then looking at planning and development. If you want to get in touch with deals like these, follow the link below and we can discuss in more detail.
So Jack mentioned at the start of this video that we'd made £120,000 of additional value. We valued when we first bought it, and this individual unit was worth £140,000. We spent £40,000 doing the work, and I'll get into more detail on that in a minute. And we've had 2 valuations since that value the space, now complete, between £225,000 and £260,000. We do believe we're going to hit the top end of that scale. So we've taken something from £140,000 to £260,000, which increases the value by £120,000 for 3 months' work, which we're very happy with. This is how the build costs broke down in this project. We spent about £6,000 on the kitchen. £4,500 of that was directly with Howdens. It's a Howdens kitchen with a laminate worktop and appliances. The rest is the installation costs for that. The bathroom cost about £3,000, and that's split half and half between the sort of finishes and fittings and the installation itself. The heating and electrics came in at £7,000, painting was around £4,000, and then all of these new stud partitions and moving the walls around came to about £7,000. That includes the plasterboard, plastering, doors and joinery. Flooring came in about £2,500, which was a sort of high quality laminate throughout, which should last a long time and is great for rental properties. Drainage was £2,500, and we had to move a few soil pipes around and reconnect and disconnect the existing pipework. And all in all, the sort of general costs and other fees that were associated with that, like building control and engineers fees, came to about £8,000 in total. So yeah, the total spend on this project came to £40,000, and hopefully you can see that is money well spent. The added value has been fantastic.
If you enjoyed this content, please smash the subscribe button, like and follow us on social media platforms. We've got plenty more projects we'll be discussing from start to finish. You can see the transition of these projects as we purchase them, all the way through the build process and hopefully to the sales market or rental market.